Adding and configuring devices is only possible for addressable panels. It is not available for repeaters and conventional panels. On the project menu, click Open, and then double-click on the selected project's name. The next step is to open the control panel. To do this, in the Panels pane, double-click on the required panel. To add devices, in the Project pane, expand the panel tree, click on Devices, then select Loop. The Loop configuration window allows you to specify the loop wiring, add or delete loop devices, and configure the devices. To specify the loop wiring, select Class A or Class B depending on how the loop is wired. Class A is a typical loop, supervised for short circuit and open circuit, using both A+- and B+- terminals. Remember that unused loop connectors should be terminated. Connector A+ should be connected to connector B+, and connector A- should be connected to connector B-. For Class B, the connection can be made either to connector A or to connector B, but not to both. Class B loops are supervised for short circuit. Remember that Class B loops do not comply with EN 54-13 requirements. Never install more than 32 devices on a Class B loop. To add a device to a specific loop, in this case loop number 1. In the quantity box, type the number of devices you want to add. Select the device from the models list and drag it to an empty address in the devices table, or to the first address in a set of empty addresses. Or click on a device in the models list, then click on an empty address in the devices table, or on the first address in a set of empty addresses. Then click Add Device. Configure the device's properties. Note, when you add a device to the devices table, make sure the address in the table matches the address on the device. The list of available device models may vary, depending on the supported protocol. To change the device address, select the device. Click Change Address. Type or select the new address, and then click OK. Note, you cannot change a device address to one that is already being used by another device. To copy and paste a device, if there are devices with the same properties, once one is configured you can use the copy and paste buttons to quickly add the other devices. Select the device you want to copy. Click Copy. Click the device type field at the address where you want to add the device. Click Paste. To configure device's properties, select the device in the devices table. Select and configure the selected device property. Clicking on each property will display help for each of them in the Help window underneath. To delete a device from the loop. To delete one device from the selected tab, click on the device you want to delete, and then click Delete Selected. To delete more than one device at a time from the selected tab, press and hold the Control key, then click each device you want to delete, and then click Delete Selected. To delete all devices from the selected tab, click Select All, and then click Delete Selected.